Good morning, all. Today we are going to teach about MSc Hardcore 1 Interspecific Competition. First, we study about competition. Competition is the association of two or more species. Each species is adversely affected by the presence of other species in respect of food, shelter, space, light, etc. Competition occurs when individuals attempt to obtain a resource that is inadequate to support all the individual seeking it, or even if the resources are adequate, individuals harm one another in trying to obtain it. The resources in the environment for which the individuals compete include raw materials for life such as water, light, and nutrients, space for occupying, and selection of matter for sexual reproduction. The competition in the ecosystem may be of two types. One is intraspecific competition and second one is interspecific competition. Now we will discuss one by one. First one is interspecific competition. Interspecific competition is the competition occurring between populations of different species whose requirements are common and inadequate in the ecosystem. It is also called as contest or interference competition. Competition between different species compete for the same resources in an ecosystem. It can be violent if the competing species are similar, but it is never as strong as intraspecific competition. Interactions in interspecific competition. First one is consumption competition occurs when individuals of one species inhibit another species by consuming and share resources. Second one, preemptive competition. It occurs primarily among sessile organisms where the competition by one individual occupation by others. Third one, overgrowth competition. It occurs when one organism literally grows over another, inhibiting access to some essential resource. Next is chemical competition. Chemical growth inhibitors are toxins released by an individual inhibit or kill other species. Last one, territorial competition. It results from the behavioral exclusion of others from a specific space that is defended as a territory. It is about interspecific competition. Next is herbivory and carnivory. We will study what is herbivory and what is carnivory, what are the characteristic features of herbivory and carnivory. Based on the mode of nutrition, animals can be classified into two categories. One is herbivores and second one is carnivores. Carnivorous animals that derive their nutrient requirements from other animals, but conversely, herbivores are the animals that depend on plants for their nutrition. First one, herbivores. Herbivores are those animals which feed on plants, leaves, fruits, and other natural food for nutrition. They are known as primary consumers and lie at level 2 in the food chain. Example, cow, goat, giraffe, etc. These are examples for herbivores. Characteristics of herbivores. First one, they feed specifically on plants. Second one, they require sufficient energy to survive. Third one, herbivores start digesting the food as soon as it enters the mouth due to the acidic saliva. Last one, few herbivores have a pair of sharp edged broad front teeth which helps in growing gnawing food products. Examples, insects, grasshoppers, etc. Second one is carnivores. Carnivores rely on other animals for their food. These animals have several adaptations that help to hunt prey. For instance, most big animals such as lions and tigers have robust bodies accompanied by powerful jaws capable of crushing bones. Characteristics of carnivores. Carnivores such as lion and tiger have short teeth and powerful jaws to kill prey. Second one, animals such as chameleons and some frogs have long sticky tongues to catch prey. Third one, most carnivores are usually fast as they need to chase and tie their prey. Last one, the carnivores do not have the ability to detoxify vitamin A in the liver. This is the about herbivory and carnivory. Thank you.